Sean here from the amazing island of Bali in Indonesia. Today we're in Ubud and we're going to do a villa tour. Let's go! And embarked on full-time travel in 2022, armed with drones and cameras. I share my adventures as I travel across Southeast Asia. Venturing into the unknown has been both exhilarating and rewarding. To me, Southeast Asia is a goldmine of experiences, rich in culture, amazing people, delicious food, and unforgettable adventures. And it's this very essence that I share with you. So pack your curiosity, buckle up, and subscribe to join me on my wild adventures through the amazing cities, unbelievable landscapes, and hidden gems of Southeast Asia. Okay, so you might be thinking, why Bali? Last time I was here, I did create a video that I shared, which I didn't really enjoy Bali that much. And that was mainly because I spent most of my time in places like Seminyak, Canggu, the over touristy places where it's all about cheap bintangs and partying and not really about experiencing the true Balinese culture or the nature that's available in this area. So I'm currently in north of Ubud, small village actually. So you can get to Ubud from here. It's only like 5-10 minutes on the bike. It's beautiful here, surrounded by rice paddies, really nice place. So let's check out the room. This is it. This is the place in Ubud, everyone. It's pretty cool. It's Ubud Sawah. It's a nice villa up in the mountains. So it's a bit outside of Ubud, so it's not in the middle of everything. So outside the hustle and bustle a bit, which is really nice. Just have a look at the place. bed looks great, really comfortable. And the bathroom is huge, like separate shower. But the size of it is quite big, actually. So have a look. Big window area from the bathroom. Right in amongst the rice paddies and palm trees up here, which is really nice as well. And in here we've got the shower. Pretty good. Everything that you need, a nice little cupboard area in the bathroom, which is really good. That's a nice touch. Have it in the bathroom. After you finish your shower, just put on your clothes straight away. I like that. There's a couple of seating areas. You've got this table here with coffee and tea making. So you could sit here, do some work. Got a nice bit of a view there behind as well. And then you've got the balcony. So this time of year, being June, it's not too hot. So having a seating area outside for breakfast or dinner might be a bit too warm for lunch. But there is a nice breeze here, so it is quite good actually. Yeah, this is it. Looking pretty nice. Gonna be here for a few weeks, so yeah, looking forward to the stay here actually. Okay, so this place also has a restaurant. They have a Thai restaurant here and they serve breakfast daily as well. So they have a choice of 5 different set menus for breakfast. They also have a pretty awesome pool, so let's go check out the pool. They're doing a bit of harvesting at the moment, so some of the rice paddies are a bit brown. You've got green ones still over there. Pretty nice. This pool area is pretty cool. It's only a little pool, but all you need to chill, cool down if it's hot. It's a nice little pool. Which the little plunge pools, they're a bit more common in Bali. Especially at these small little villa type homestays. But it's nice. So I'll give you the breakdown on the costs and what you get, all as part of the costs as well. It's a pretty good deal actually. So what you get as part of your stay here as well, you get coffee and tea. They do provide a jug. They provide shampoo and shower gel as well. For us, we did have the breakfast included as part of our booking. They also provide daily cleaning and they provide 2 bottles of water each day as well. So the cost comes to 100 US per week to stay here. That includes breakfast, bottled water, daily cleaning, really good value for money. If you're thinking you can't find a nice place on a budget here in Bali, well, here's proof it does exist. So getting here, if you are coming from the airport or Kuta, Seminyak, those areas, you can just book a Grab or Gojek to get out here. Once you're here, they do offer motorbike rental as well. If you want to rent motorbike here, you can. So they also have cars here, so if you want to go on a tour, they can take you on a tour as well. Coming up, obviously, I'm just starting in Bali. There's a lot of waterfalls and mountains to check out. The rice terraces here are amazing, so looking to get involved in them too. And then I'll be heading over to Nusa Penida Island, spending a couple of weeks there, and also some time in Uluwatu. So a lot to come from Bali. Looking forward to it. I've got 2 months here and really want to make the most of it. So if that sounds good to you, make sure you hit the like, hit that subscribe button. If you have subscribed already, you're awesome. You're the reason why I make these videos, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.